like to use the magic loop to start the diamonds that hold our circles together. To begin, place your tail over the body of your yarn, creating a loop. Make a second loop by pulling the body of your yarn through. Stick your hook into that second loop and then go ahead and anchor your yarn. Pull your yarn through the second loop, and now we're ready to begin in earnest with chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to add 3 double crochets into our magic loop. 1, 2, 3. Feel free at any point in time to tighten up your magic loop simply by pulling on the tail. We have 4 stitches now on our first round here, the chain 3 and 3 subsequent double crochets. Now we're going to chain 1 and work 4 double crochets into our magic loop. Here's the first, second, third, fourth. Chain 1 and work 4 more double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give my magic loop a little tug and close that off a bit more. Chain 1 and work 4 more double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to chain 1 and close off this first round by doing a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3, both legs of that chain. We're going to do a slip stitch, pulling our yarn through that chain and carry on right through the chain that we made as we finished our last double crochet. And what we have here now, let me just back up and show you a little bit, are 4 stitches divided by 1 chain. And now that we have our square started, we're going to add the diamond shape to connect our circles.